both the states could happen. The main requirements as per the notifications are handing over of the projects and control of the projects to the boards. The second thing is DPR of the unapproved projects are to be submitted with the Central Water Commission through the boards for the appraisal and sanctions. Seed money as per the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act is to be deposited, and provision of human resources and other establishment like office and infrastructure is to be provided to the board, so that both the board starts functioning smoothly and these type of unfortunate situations can be withdrawn, can be avoided. I just wanted to clear this factual situation and put the facts before the citizens of both the states and the nation and all my media friends, so that one side story, a one-way story should not go. The other side of the coin also should come, and the reality and facts are checked and kept on the record. Thank you very much.
So I have a question, sir.
How much time it takes to constitute a new tribunal, sir?
We have already sent a request to the Ministry of Legal Affairs, Law and Justice for their comment. As soon as I'm personally following up with the ministry, I have spoken with the minister also to expedite the process. As soon as their opinion will come, whether we have to constitute a new tribunal for this or the present tribunal can be given the term of references, which I also want and both the states also wants, to avoid the delay in constitution, because constitution of a tribunal, again it is a very long process, so that delay can be avoided. We are waiting for the opinion of Law and Justice Ministry, thereafter we will take the press.
Water, new tribunal will be dispute the water between Telangana and Andhra or among 4 states?
No, Telangana and Andhra, this is the issue only related to Telangana and Andhra.
It will be confined to AP and Andhra.
Yeah.
Telangana.
So this board will be given the term of references, or if we are asked to constitute a new board, that will only look after the allocation of water between both the states from the quota of allocation which was made for the erstwhile Andhra
The
Pradesh.
state governments are not handovering the projects to the boards. What will happen next?
See, there is a constitutional provision, and the makers of our constitution have provision for all of these unfortunate situations if this happens in the country.
So any deadline being given to states to hand over the projects, or for that
We
matter,
have
even to
requested.
provide
See,
infrastructure?
what I have already we have given the a date to the states to give us provide us the infrastructure, the manpower, and to empower the boards with the seed money and all. They have not done yet, but some of the projects have been offered to the board, and it is a process which
What's
can
the
go
date, sir?
smoothly. See, of these type of projects or these type of situations, you cannot fix up a cut-off date and this is the date, after that it will happen. We want to do everything with a smooth road, and we wish to make these boards functional and empower with both these boards with a consensus between both the states.
So you said that, just a month before the SC has begun this action, and thereafter you just got the role, your role has begun now. How soon, the next course of action will be in place?
So before this judgment was given by the Apex Court to withdraw the application which was filed by state of Telangana, we have initiated our process. So we are working proactively, but unfortunately, working proactively, still we are making responsible for the delays. Just don't understand, because before this Apex Court allowed them to withdraw the applications, I have sent my files to the Ministry of Law and Justice for legal opinion.
What would be the reason for
notification
the
is-
KCR application, sir? What would be the reason behind the KCR statement?
आई थिंक मुझे कहने की जरूरत नहीं, यू ऑल आर अवेयर ऑफ दैट.
केसीआर
और मुझे लगता है कि वो तो मुझे स्पष्टीकरण देने की जरूरत नहीं है, पूरा देश जानता है उसको.
केसीआर साहब आपसे मिलने के समय में नोटिफिकेशन इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए थोड़ा समय देने के लिए पूछ लिया था. थोड़ा टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स आएगा.
So we were ready to accommodate. I have never asked ki that this is the cut-off date. What she was asking, what I have replied, that we have never asked and forced the states. We still wish to accommodate the states, but ultimately we have to start with this, the functional.
So your
So you
center
are
is still open?
We are always open.
No, sir,
The center under the leadership of Honorable Modi ji is always open for the betterment, for the benefit of the people of our country.
Now the notification cutoff date is postponed.
Or not?
It is not required to be postponed. It is not required to be postponed by that every time. It is with the understanding what we want to do it.
Sir, my side, the gazette notification regarding for irrigation projects, but Telangana government is saying we are not going to hand over the power projects, power generation projects. There is confusion.
I think there is no room for the confusion if the jurisdiction which was notified is read properly. There is no confusion there.
And
There will be hardly any confusion if I would request you also to read that notification once. Then after you are not going to raise this type of
one more,
question.
sir.
Sir, you are saying that the constitutional remedies are there. What are the constitutional remedies for that?
If they don't,
I think you understand better than me. There are several cases in this federal system of our country when this type of logjams or situation have occurred, and what type of remedial measures have been taken by the states or by the government. It is known to all of us.
So new tribunal, do you expect by end of this year, by December? At least some timeline it can be.
I think I should not speak about any timeline unless Ministry of Law and Justice, they give me their opinion. Thereafter there is a procedure. If they ask me to establish a new tribunal, then I'll have to approach the Supreme Court Chief Justice of India to recommend a name, and thereafter he'll recommend a name. How much time is going to take, because in the previous tribunals, constitutional or previous tribunals, or after the retirement of or resignation of the judges of existing members of existing tribunals, sometimes Supreme Court have taken more than 3 months, 4 months, 5 months time. How can I give you the
So
date,
better way
cut-off date?
forward will be to give terms of reference to the existing tribunal for.
So
immediate
that is what I have requested and recommended.
Okay.
I also wanted
Sir, as per your gazette notification.
Terms and references should be finalized by the ministry or the law ministry.
So terms of references naturally are going to be decided by our ministry. Law has nothing to do with that.
The both state governments are criticizing the central government regarding one important issue, sir. So we are, the ministry is asking the detailed projects report to on every project. But whatever they submitted on the different projects DPRs, but the ministry is not giving the approvals again and again. They are asking the clarifications and questions, and they are putting the.
Come to me sometime individually, Mr. my friend. I'll
Not
show you.
myself, sir. Both state governments and-
Let me complete, Mitra. I'll show you that the documents which they have sent in the name of DPRs. Meagerly sending by some papers relating to any project, can they be called as DPR? I just don't want to go into this detail and create controversy. They have to be in the proper format which they ought to come.
Sir, Andhra government asking for Polavaram revised.
So this is not the subject today.
And one more-
I will discuss some
Sir,
more
one more
other time for
important
that.
question. Last time when you are issued the gazette notification, the Andhra Pradesh government regarding that Velikonda project, the political representative also came to Delhi and they are represented to you. To
So
include the
I-
Velikonda project in the gazette notification.
I have
The ministry is
clarified.
considering that proposal or not?
I have clarified this from various platforms that this confusion arises because of the misspelling of that project during the notification. So for correction of the spelling, it is for that we need to go to the parliament for correction. But in that particular name, which was mentioned in the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, there is no project which exists on the earth. So this is the correct name. In notification, notifying this jurisdiction, we have corrected the spelling, nothing else. And still we are making, the people are making confusion into that. I just don't understand how come it is. And other way also, since that project, when it was listed, if I consider that project was also an approved project. And this project, this time when with corrected its spelling, we have kept it into another list of unapproved projects. So how does it make any effect or impact into the stuff for the state? I just don't understand why this type of politics is going on.
Sir, you are saying KCR playing a drama.
I have not shown.
No, he is political.
I have not now. He is. I have never used the political drama word even. I just don't wish to do, wish and expect. I just don't wish to, and I don't even expect the word saying anything which is happening under a rules or procedures or the constitutional framework. Call as a drama. I just don't use this type of words, gentlemen.
Okay, why this sudden, this KCR, why he is doing the allegation against him and central government? Why you are...
सारी चीज मैं ही समझाऊंगा, कुछ चीज तो उनसे भी समझ लेना। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
थोड़ी चीज तो उनसे भी समझ लेना यार। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।